Hi, come back again to my channel. This morning I try Singapore pandan cake. This restaurant is just opened 1 month ago, so I like to try. The cake is soft and smells so nice, so good. I love that. I like Singapore's food. The place